peculiar. The space in between you and me is growing darker and deeper and bigger. We're not for the knots we tied long and tall. We might not be hanging around at opposite ends of a timing span over troubled waters below. Down the raging river with a deadly undertow. We circled the moat and you rocked the boat like a mighty Leviathan of old. With cracks in our feet, we beat for instance. We got stranded, we canvassed for answers. All the prayers we prayed, they fell silent.
What year was Elizabeth? Elizabeth, last July, my little brother passed away. And in his will, he asked that we go and leave a waiter, waitress, and also.
Okay.
And so I've been lucky enough now to have done that 71 times before today. And now I'm visiting my cousin and her family here, and so I wanted to come and give you an awesome tip. So,
thank you.
So today, this is for my brother Aaron, and that's for you.
That's very sweet.
You're welcome. It's $500.
Oh my God.
So
I'm so sorry about your brother.
thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Wow.
Yeah, he's been doing this since.
I did the first one, and the video went viral. And,
Oh crap.
and so then people gave me the money so that I can keep doing this, and I get to do this for about 120 people now. So
Wow.
I'm
really.
touring all 50 states.
Are you really?
Yeah.
What state are you from?
Kentucky.
That's very cool.
I
I'm really.
appreciate
I'm very touched.
And actually,
God.
I almost forgot. My mom wrote a book about my
Your
brother.
brother?
Yeah. So that's Aaron, and sort of just the story of his life. And
So cool. Can I get a cup? Can we?
no, that's yours.
Oh, it's mine.
That's for you to keep.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you. Are you the big brother, the little brother?
The big brother. Big brother. Yeah.
Wow. That's my littlest one.
Oh, okay. How many do you have?
I have 4.
See, there were 4 of us
Yeah.
before my brother passed away.
Yeah.
So.
I have 3 younger brothers, so
Okay.
you guys had a good one.
Thank you.
Oh,
It was great.
It was fantastic. Very, very delicious.
Somebody could have given me a little heads up. I'm different with my hair. Put some makeup on or lipstick or something.
Can't spoil that moment though.
You know what? Thank you. Thank you, really.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Elizabeth. We'll be
Yeah,
back.
tell me a little bit about your mom real quick before you have to go.
Single mom. Dad lives in LA. 4 kids. I'm the youngest. She is a great mom. Always been there. She has 3 jobs. She works really hard to support all of us, even if she can't. So she works really hard. So it's kind of like a miracle that you guys. So it's sweet.
Good.
That's why she started to cry. Means a lot to her, so yeah.
No savior won't save when commanded. So we march through the dark, we'll cast iron down. But no, the strength we could muster. With torches in hand, we surveyed the land. We stumbled one after the other, damned with blind ambition. To a glass house miles below. On the garden did grow, sent roots down in droves, blocked out the sun while it showed. Whoa, you tied a rope round my finger, your hope for a dead ringer. You drifted over Towering Oak. All the rain came down with a furious sound. and arrested that bell till it broke. So I crawled through the dirt, the soil of the earth, for bands that barely could shovel. On the canyon it flood with water and blood from the thunderous storm of the boat. Yes, and God spoke so clearly for the very first time in my